Welcome, welcome to seasparkles corner, and welcome to a video. Welcome to a video. Welcome to a video. The seasparkles corner. We're saying goodbye. We're saying goodbye. I'm going to be painting this door, and this black knob, which I loved years ago, is being replaced by the gold one in my bedroom. So off it goes. Oops. Off it goes. I have never taken a doorknob off before. I'll put it on there. Off it goes. I'm going to take down the door because I'm going to paint it. We're doing it together, and I appreciate your help. Oops. Are you seeing it good? Oh, yeah. I think I painted this black. Oh, well, I'll hold off on that. Let's get this doorknob thingy off. Let's see if turning on the light makes any difference. Oh yeah, it does. It does. It makes a difference. It does. I can see better. That's a long screw. I'm going to keep the screws. Okay. All right. It's gone. 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 Nope. This came black. Okay, it was one piece. It needed to come out. Okay. Hello. Hello, ho. Hello, ho. Yep. Hello, ho. We're not putting that on until we get the door down. Okay, the knob is off. That's step one. And I'm gonna see you guys after I take down the door and start painting it. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Welcome to the continuation of my 10th anniversary. Love y'all. Stay tuned for all the fun. Bye.